Hey guys, today we're at Magic Kingdom here at Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida. We're checking it out, seeing what the conditions are. Is it worth it? Is it crowded? We're gonna blame me vlogging for the reason why I lost. Very socially distanced train. Well, I guess you're gonna have to stay tuned to find out. Alright guys, we're exploring Magic Kingdom today. I'm going to take you around and see what we could do. So these are the temperature checks that you get before you go into the park. I am noticing that it is a little busy. Obviously they do have a maximum capacity because the park fills up very quickly, and once it's filled to capacity they will close for the day. I highly recommend getting here as early as possible. And since we can't meet the characters up close and personal, this is how the character greetings go. At least we still get to see them. So now you need to line up in order to enter the stores. Alright guys, so I like to come to the park without any ears, pick up some new merch, see what they have. So today I got the emerald green one. They're so gorgeous. Alright guys, now we can explore. Oh my god, a princess. Oh my god. So beautiful. I love it. Oh, a princess. So the line for Thunder Mountain says 45 minutes. I think it says that because it's very spaced out, but I doubt it's going to be 45 minutes. So let's check in and see how long it takes. So they put floor markings, and then they have partitions here set up. So as we're still in line for Big Thunder Mountain, the wait went from 40 minutes to 70 minutes. So that is crazy. Very socially distanced train. So we just got off Thunder Mountain, and the wait was pretty accurate. It was about 35 minutes to get on, and it told us 40. But as we were in line, it went from 40 to 70 minutes. So that's how quickly things can change here. So most rides either space you out or you get your own ride vehicle. Wait times probably are a little longer because they're spaced out. So they adhere to the guidelines of social distancing and keeping people apart. I've noticed that they are doing a lot of construction throughout the park, which is good because now it's an eyesore, but soon it will be something great. So honestly, I'm all for change. And this is a little different too. There's no water here. They're doing construction on Tom Sawyer Island, so they had to drain it. But well, I've never seen that in my years of here. So the line for the Haunted Mansion is quite long now, because we do have to keep 6 feet or as close to 6 feet of distance as possible. So they did remove the pre-show here at the Haunted Mansion, so you kind of just keep walking forward. And then there are markers on the floor to direct you where to keep going. So I did eat a lot of yummy treats while I was at Magic Kingdom, but I decided to turn that into a whole other vlog. So if you guys want to see it, I'll link it down below for you. Always wash your hands, kids. Let's go have some fun. I used to play with this as a kid. Those days are gone. So the laugh floor unfortunately is closed. No shows today. So I've noticed a lot of rides have been converted into lines now to adhere to the distance between other people in the line. So So they are separating in between parties that do not know each other, and families can obviously sit back to each other. I suck. I suck. I don't even belong in space at all. Very focused with vlog camera in hand. That's why I lost. We're gonna blame me vlogging for the reason why I lost. And this is the face of pure determination and focus. And this girl's vlogging. I just found the coolest Spirit jersey ever. So definitely gonna snag this. So as you see, they've spaced out the line. This is the Winnie the Pooh line, and Winnie the Pooh is actually all the way on the other side over there, looped around. So these lines can get long. This is the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train line, and they even set up some shade while you wait. Wow, so this line for Mine Train actually kind of never ends. The line for Mine Train actually wraps by where the Little Mermaid's located and keeps going all the way back. This line is massive. It just keeps going. It's wrapped all the way back there. So they turned Tomorrowland Terrace into a relaxation station where you could sit, take off your mask and relax 6 feet apart and just have a little breather. It is so hot today in Florida that you definitely need a breather. Alright guys, so I picked up a final piece of merch. I never see Mulan ears at the Disney parks. You always have to get them on Etsy or custom made. And I think these are so adorable and they represent, you know, the baddest princess out there. So yeah, I had to pick these up. So now at the end of the day, we're lining up for my favorite ride here at Magic Kingdom, Space Mountain. The line is quite long and it is spaced out throughout Tomorrowland in order to accommodate the amount of people that want to wait for the ride. Let's go check it out. Why is it in the complete picture? So as I look back on my day at Magic Kingdom, I can't help but be filled with so much gratitude for such an amazing day here. The castmates are keeping everyone sanitized and safe, and I just honestly want to thank them so much. I just want to say thank you. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you get to experience Magic Kingdom soon, and I hope 2021 is better to us all. Alright guys, thank you so much for coming along the journey with me. I hope you enjoyed seeing Magic Kingdom through my eyes. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.